Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol KGC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame thing does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and in this situation makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice move. I mean, when you consider that just yesterday the price was down around here, and now the price is up in this area of the chart, any rational person would say, yeah, the bulls have definitely made a very nice move on the day. But that also leads to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that level is down here at, let's see here, $3.72. Why is $3.72 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 372. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price were to separate to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this big old range that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here and then behaves in this manner before starting to work its way back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this base of lows down here. If you picture each of these as stairs, I guess you'd have a set of lows right there. So if you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have some stair steps very clearly heading in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm just defining and quantifying make progress as 372. Now, as far as levels of resistance, I'm not even going to touch on those because, in my opinion, breaking levels of resistance, not a huge priority right now. Top priority now going forward is just going through healthy consolidations and building those higher lows, because as long as higher lows are being built over time, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So no doubt about it, nice move today. Great way to close out the week. We'll see if the bulls can build upon this momentum next week or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.